Hello friends, welcome once again. I am Tushar Chauhan from Rashtriya Junior College, Chalisgaon, District Jalgaon. I am also a writer of activity work book, Standard 11 and 12. I have also created one blog, juniorcollegeteacher.blogspot.in. You can also visit my YouTube channel, Learn with Tushar Chauhan. Now, come to our session 1.4 Mrs. Addis. Now see textbook page number 45. This is our second lecture on this topic. From this page, we have to continue our lecture, our session. Mrs. Addis did not speak for a moment. Crouch looked at her beseechingly. Beseechingly means appealingly, making a request to her. Now when Mrs. Addis realized that Peter Crouch had made a crime, he shot one person and he wanted her help. Initially, she could not decide what to do, so she did not speak. For a while, Peter Crouch was expecting that she should help him, so he was requesting her. You might do it for Tom's sake, he said. Now Peter Crouch, he was a friend of Tom. Tom was the name of Mrs. Addis' son. So he requested that she should have helped him because he was a friend of Tom. मिसेस ॲडिस निर्णय घेऊ शकत नव्हते की पीटर क्रोचचं काय करायचं, कारण त्यांनी गुन्हा केलेला आहे. स्वतःला वाचवण्यासाठी का असेना पण त्यांनी गनचा वापर केलेला आहे. पीटर क्रोच विनंती करतो की टॉमसाठी तरी त्याला वाचवा, कारण तो टॉमचा मित्र आहे. You haven't been an over good friend to Tom, snapped Mrs. Addis. Now here, when Peter Crouch reminded her about the friendship of Tom at that time, Mrs. Addis declared that he was not a good friend of Tom. She snapped. She suddenly stopped him with a sharp voice. But Tom's been a very good friend to me. He would want you to stand by me tonight. Peter Crouch requested her that though he was not a good friend of Tom, but Tom was his good friend, he always behaved him like a good friend, and so he requested her that she should help him and give place to hide there for one night. He wanted to stay there for one night because he had to save himself from the keepers. मिसेस ॲडिस जाहीर करून टाकते की तू काही टॉमचा चांगला मित्र नाहीयेस, हे मला माहिती आहे. पण त्यावर पीटर क्रोच तिला समजवतोय की टॉम चा जरी मी चांगला मित्र नसलो तरी टॉम माझा चांगला मित्र आहे, आणि टॉमला जर हे कळलं असतं तर त्यांनी मला नक्की इथं आश्रय दिला असता. टॉमसाठी तरी तुम्ही मला इथं आश्रय द्या, या ठिकाणी राहण्याची लपण्याची परवानगी द्या, एक रात्र त्याला तिथं थांबायचं. वेल, आय वोंट से ही वुडंट, फॉर टॉम ऑलवेज थॉट बेटर ऑफ यू than you deserve. Maybe you can stay till he comes home tonight. Then we can hear what he says about it. Now Mrs. Addis, she gave Peter Crouch a chance to stay there on one condition. What was the condition? Tom would decide whether he should stay there or not. If Tom agreed, she was ready to give him place to hide there. So the decision might be taken by Tom. मिसेस अडीस पीटर क्रॉसला एक संधी देण्याचा निर्णय घेते. ती म्हणते की टॉम तुला आवश्यकतेपेक्षा चांगला समजतो किंवा चांगली ट्रीटमेंट देतो. तो आज रात्री उशिरा येईल, त्यानंतर तो निर्णय घेईल की तुझ्या बाबतीत काय करायचं. Now here on this information you can deal with one activity. It is completion activity. Peter Crouch wanted that he should get shelter at Mrs. Addy's house because. Now you can find the answer here. According to Peter Crouch, Tom was his best friend, one of the best friends, and so he should have to get a chance to take shelter at Mrs. Addy's house. पीटर क्रॉसला माहिती आहे की तो एक त्याचा टॉम चांगला मित्र आहे आणि म्हणून त्या बेसिसवर, त्या मुद्द्यावर त्याला तिथं लपण्यासाठी जागा मिळाली पाहिजे. So in this way you can complete this statement. Such completion activities are also included in your prose activities. He will be up at work for an hour yet, and the coast will be clear by then. I can get away out of the country. Peter Crouch declared that when Tom came after an hour, the coast, the area will be clear. There would be no one who was following him, so he could be safe at that time, and he was ready to leave the place, to leave that country, and he could take shelter in another place. He was ready for that. पीटर क्रॉसला 1 तास तरी त्या ठिकाणी थांबणं आवश्यक होतं. त्यानंतर वातावरण निवळेल आणि तो त्या भागातून दुसरीकडे जाऊ शकेल अशी त्याची अपेक्षा होती. Where will you go? I don't know. There is time to think of that. Mrs. Addis inquired where he wanted to go. At that time, Peter Crouch told her that he did not know anything about it. He did not decide about it. He could think over it and then decide. मिसेस अडीस त्याला विचारते तू कुठे जाणार आहेस. पीटर क्रॉच मात्र अजूनही निर्णय घेऊ शकले नाहीये. तो म्हणतो त्याला अजून वेळ आहे, मी विचार करून निर्णय घेईन. Well, you can think of it in here, she said dryly, opening a door which led from the kitchen into the small shed at the back of the cottage. They will never guess you are there, especially if I tell them I haven't seen you tonight. Mrs. Addis, she was ready to give him place him there to hide. So she opened one door of one small shed which was at the back of her cottage. She asked Peter Crouch to hide there. She also told him that the keepers would never guess that he was hiding there because she was ready to tell them she hadn't seen him. So in this way, she made arrangements for Peter Crouch, though she was not happy to do such things, but she was doing because Peter Crouch claimed that he was a friend of Tom, her son. मिसेस अडीस पीटर क्राउचला लपण्यासाठी एका शेडमध्ये, घराच्या पाठीमागे असलेल्या शेडमध्ये जागा देते. टॉमचा तो मित्र आहे हा मुद्दा ती मान्य करून त्याला आता लपण्यासाठी जागा देते. रखवालदारांना ती सांगायला तयार आहे की तो या ठिकाणी नाही. यू आर अ गुड वुमन मिसेस अडीस. आय नो आय एम नॉट वर्थ युअर स्टँडिंग बाय मी, बट maybe I would have been different if I had a mother like Tom's. Now, here Peter Crouch praised Mrs. Adis. According to him, she was a very good person and he could become a good man if he had the same mother like that of Tom. Means she wanted that he should have to get mother like Mrs. Adis. या ठिकाणी पीटर क्राउच मिसेस अडीसचं कौतुक करतोय. तो म्हणतो तुम्ही खूप चांगली व्यक्ती आहात, चांगली स्त्री आहात. तुमच्यासारखी जर माझी आई असती, मला जर अशी आई मिळाली असती तर मीही टॉम सारखा चांगला राहिलो असतो. She did not speak but shut the door and he was in darkness save for a small ray of light that came through one of the cracks. By this light he could see her moving to and fro preparing Tom's supper. Now Mrs. Adis, she gave place to hide Peter Crouch. He was sitting in that small shade. He could see the movements of Mrs. Adis. She was preparing meal for her son Tom. In another hour, Tom would be home from Iron Ledge Farm, where he worked every day. Now it was expected Tom would come home from Iron Ledge Farm. He worked there every day. मिसेस अदिसने पीटर क्राउचला लपण्यासाठी जागा दिली, स्वयंपाकाचं काम करते. टॉम एका तासाने येईल, आयरन लॅच फार्म मध्ये तो काम करतोय अशी अपेक्षा होती. पीटर क्राउच ट्रस्टेड टॉम टू हेल्प हिम, फॉर दे हॅड बीन फ्रेंड्स when they went together to the national school at Lamberhurst. Peter Crouch trusted Tom to help him, for they had been friends when they went together to the national school at Lamberhurst. And since then, the friendship had not been broken by their very different characters and careers. Now, Tom and Peter Crouch, they were school friends. They were studying at the national school Lamberhurst. From that time they were friends. It was their unbroken friendship. टॉम आणि पीटर क्राउच नॅशनल स्कूलमध्ये लॅम्बरहर्स्ट या ठिकाणी शिकत होते. पीटर क्राउच तेव्हापासून टॉमवर विश्वास ठेवत होता. जरी त्यांचं व्यक्तिमत्व, जीवनक्रम भिन्न होता तरी त्यांची मैत्री टिकून राहिलेली होती. Peter Crouch huddled down upon the sacks that shrink filled one corner of the shed. A delicious smell of cooking began to come through from the kitchen, and he hoped Mrs. Adis would not deny him a share of the supper when Tom came home, for he was very hungry and he had a long way to go. Now Peter Crouch, he sat upon the sack. Now he shrinked himself in one corner of the shade. After some time, he smelled and he realized that Mrs. Addis had cooked something. He realized that he was hungry and he was sure that Mrs. Addis would definitely give him a share of the meal when Tom came. He had to go for a long distance now. पीटर क्रोच तिथल्या पोत्यांवर बसलेला होता. त्याला स्वयंपाकाचा वास आलेला आहे, सुगंध आलेला आहे. किचन मधून येणाऱ्या त्या वासामुळे त्याला जाणीव झालेली की आपल्याला भूक लागलेली आहे. आणि त्याला खात्री होती की मिसेस अडीस टॉम आल्यानंतर त्यालाही जेवायला बोलवे. त्याला खूप लांबवर जायचं होतं, खूप अंतर जायचं होतं म्हणून जेवण आवश्यक होतं. He had fallen into a kind of helpless doze when he was roused by the sound of footsteps on the road. Now, as it was a night time, Peter Crouch, he was dozing. Suddenly, he heard some footsteps on the road. पीटर क्रोच रात्रीची वेळ असल्यामुळे त्याला डुलकी लागते. अचानक त्याला रस्त्यावर पावलांचा आवाज ऐकू येतोय. फॉर अ मोमेंट हिज पुअर हार्ट नियरली चोक्ड हिम विथ इट्स बीटिंग. नाउ व्हेन ही हर्ड द फुटस्टेप्स हिज हार्ट स्टार्टेड बीटिंग. ही बिकेम फ्रायटन. पावलांचा आवाज ऐकल्याबरोबर त्याला भीती वाटायला लागलेली. They were the keepers. They had guessed where he was with Mrs. Addis, his old friend's mother. Now he could think that the persons who were coming there, they might be the keepers. तो विचार करतोय की येणारे व्यक्ती कोण असतील. त्याला असं वाटलं ते रखवालदार असतील. बिकॉज दे हॅड गेस वेअर ही वॉज हायडिंग ॲट मिसेस अदीस कॉटेज. त्याला लक्षात आलं की त्यांनी तर्क केलेला असेल की तो नेमका मिसेस अडीसकडे लपलेला असेल. तिच्या मुलाचा तो मित्र आहे आणि म्हणून नक्कीच तो तिथे गेलेला असेल असा त्यांनी विचार केलेला आहे. म्हणून ते येत आहेत. He had been a fool to come to the cottage and he was cursing himself. स्वतःला स्वतः मूर्ख म्हणतोय. Nearly losing his self-control, he shrank into the corner, shivering, half sobbing. But the footsteps went by. The next minute, Mrs. Addis stuck her head into the shade. Now, as he was losing his self-control, he started shivering. He started sobbing. He was totally frightened. हा जो काही पीटर क्रोच आहे, पावलांचा आवाज ऐकल्याबरोबर त्याचे एक्सप्रेशन्स बदलायला लागलेले होते. स्वतःवरचं नियंत्रण त्याचं कमी कमी होत चाललेलं होतं. थरथर कापतोय, हुंदके द्यायला लागलेला आहे. But the footsteps went by. पण सुदैवाने पावलांचा आवाज दूर दूर चालला गेला आणि मिसेस अडीसने आतमध्ये डोकावून पाहिलं. Now here you have to deal with the activity find. Find the expressions that show the fear of Peter Crouch. Here you can select, you can search the expressions of Peter Crouch that are showing his fear. Means losing control, self-control, shrank himself into the corner, shivering, half sobbing, his heart was beating. All these expressions, all these things show that Peter Crouch was totally frightened. That was the keepers, she replied shortly. Now Mrs. Addis, she gave information to Peter Crouch. The persons who passed from that place, they were the keepers. जे लोक इथून गेले यांचे पावलं तुला ऐकू आले असतील, पावलांचा आवाज ऐकू आला असेल, ते रखवालदारच होते. I saw them go by. They had lanterns. Maybe it would be better if you sleep out now and went towards Canciron. Now she suggested that he should have to leave that place because they were searching. ती सांगते ते रखवालदार होते, त्यांच्याकडे लँटर्न्स कंदील होते आणि ते आता दूर गेलेले दिसत आहे, तुला संधी आहे, तू कॅन्सिरॉनला निघून जा. You would miss them that way and get over to Kent. So in this way, if you did this, if you accepted this suggestion, you could get over to Kent. ती सुचवते की तुला हा भाग सोडून जायचा आहे, तर तुला संधी आहे, ते लोक आता दूर गेलेले दिसत आहेत, तू पटकन इथून निघून जा आणि केंटला चालला जा. केंट एक ठिकाणाचं नाव आहे. देर इज अ लंडन ट्रेन दॅट कम्स फ्रॉम टनब्रिज वेल्स ॲट 10 to 9. ती सुचवते लंडन ट्रेनच्या साहाय्याने तू इथून निघून जा, जी 10 वाजता येणार. That would be a fine thing for me, madam, but I haven't the price of a ticket on me. But Peter Crouch declared that he did not have money to buy the tickets of the train. Peter Crouch कडे पैसे नाहीये तिकीट घेण्यासाठी ट्रेनचं. She went to one of the kitchen drawers. Here's 7 shillings. It will be your fare to London and a bit over. Now Mrs. Addis, she brought 7 shillings from her kitchen drawers and gave it to Peter Crouch, asking it would be a good amount to buy the tickets to London. Mrs. Addis 7 shillings पीटर क्रोचला देते आणि तिकीट काढून लंडनला जाण्यासाठी सुचवते. For a moment he did not speak. Then he said, I don't know how to thank you, madam. Now here Peter Crouch thanked her. Oh, you needn't thank me. I am doing it for Tom. Now she suggested that she was doing that because of Tom. Peter Crouch was a friend of Tom, so she was helping the friend of her son. मिसेस सांगते माझ्या मुलाचा तो मित्र आहे या नात्याने मी तिला मदत करते. I hope you won't get into trouble because of these. There isn't much fear. No one's ever likely to know you have been in this cottage. That's why I would sooner you went before Tom came back, or maybe he would bring a friend with him, and that would make trouble. Now she suggested that he should have to leave the place as early as possible because Tom might bring one of his friends with him, and it was a bad thing for Peter Crouch. ही सुचवते तू पटकन निघून जा, कदाचित टॉम तुझ्या मित्राला घेऊन येईल आणि मग तू संकटात सापडशील. Now we will continue this story in our next lecture. Here we have to stop now.